Today we're going to be learning how to make friendship bracelets. How we're going to make them is, I'll be right back.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now.
Now I'm ready. So here we have all of my supplies. I have some duct tape to keep it taped to the table while I braid, and I have yellow, pink, and blue string because those are my favorite colors, and I have some pink scissors so we can cut the string wherever we want and cut the duct tape. Now I have all three colors lined up in the way that I want them. I'm just going to take some duct tape and cut it. Make sure that you leave some space in your strings so you can tie it when we're done. If you don't know how to braid, I'll teach you. We'll take the first string from left to right, the first yellow string, and we'll cross it under the pink string, which is the second string. And then we'll take the yellow string and put it over the blue string. And then we'll just repeat this. We'll take pink under the blue, over the yellow. It's under, and then over, and then under, and then over. But you have to do it tight or else it'll come all loose like that. So under, over, and just repeat this process. When you're done, like me, so I've put all of this together, and this will definitely be enough for my wrist because I have a pretty small wrist and it wraps around. So when you're done, you can just take your strings and put a finger right here and then pull your strings like that aren't braided, and then just tie it in a knot, like go around your finger and just tie it in a knot. I tied a big knot just to make sure that it didn't come apart, and so you tie a knot just to make sure that all of this doesn't come out. And now you can take off your duct tape and take off your strings, and then you can just tie a knot there. My work here is done. So I have tied my bracelet, and I have two of them because my bracelet was super long. So now we're just going to cut off all this excess with my scissors. And we can cut off all of these big knots that we tied to make sure that the braid won't come out because we just tied it around our wrist so it won't come out. We don't need any of this anymore. So now, here's the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye!